What do you think about this suggestion that Welshmen should wear kilts?
Nonsense.
Why is that?
Well, why not keep a Scotchman to their kilts and leave the Welshmen on their own?
Don't you think that the Welshmen should have a national dress?
No, we haven't had one yet. Only, just the usual women's dress, the top hat and plaid shawl.
Do you think a kilt's a woman's dress?
Sure. Well, I think it's all wrong. I think they won't be able to tell from a girl from a boy if they keep on wearing them. I'd rather keep on wearing my trousers. I should think so.
What do you think about this suggestion that Welshmen should wear kilts?
No, I should say.
Why is that?
Well, we're too cold, man. We're working in the warm pits and it's too cold for us to wear kilts.
Well, the only one I'd like to see is my wife in shorts, in kilts. That's the only one I'd like to see. And a nice little girl about 18.
Would you like to see your boyfriend wearing kilts?
No, I wouldn't.
Why not?
I've got knobbly knees.
He's got knobbly knees?
Yes.
How about you? Would you like to see your boyfriend wearing a kilt?
No, I wouldn't.
Why not?
Well, girls wear skirts, not boys. I would like to see boys walking about with skirts on.
Well, I disagree entirely because they have a national costume of their own, and I don't see why they should accept other things.
Do you think Welshmen should wear kilts?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Because I don't believe in it. Because men wear their own and women wear their own. Then we can say who's who.
It's all right for those who likes it.
Do you like it?
Well, I've been never interested in it myself.
Would you wear a kilt?
Well, I'd wear anything to get warm.
How about you? Do you think Welshmen should wear kilts?
I don't, no.
Why not?
I prefer trousers.
Why?
I don't like kilts.
What do you think about this suggestion that Welshmen should wear kilts?
Well, it's a lot of bloody nonsense, isn't it? We've
What?
got our own clothes, innit? Just like the lady to the Scots, innit?
But you haven't got a national dress in Wales, have you?
Well, the women have, innit? And just wear what they like, you know? Go around as they feel like it.
What have you got against kilts?
Well, if you walk in the street and guess the wind comes, innit? How's it up? You look a proper banana, innit?